Right, we're coming to a spot now that Leesh actually found. Just found it on the map. It's absolutely random. It's got like one review, and it's a lady that sells mu ping, but I think she has some interesting ones. Sawadee krab. Very good, very good.
Morning good. Morning good.
Yes, very good.
Good. Yeah. Very hot.
She's got them.
I looked online and I see you have looking lab.
I need lab. Oh, okay, delicious.
We have to try.
We come specially to try these.
Okay.
How much are they? เท่าไหร่ครับ 50 บาท Okay. I'm gonna get. Hold on, yeah. I'll see lab.
4 ลาบก็ 4 ไม้
And what else do you have? อันนี้อะไรครับ
sticky rice
เท่านี้เอาหนึ่งครับ
rice
Yes, we got sticky rice. Okay, super.
Should we get two?
Two.
Song.
Are you a teacher?
No, just tourists.
Tourist.
Yes. Everybody keeps asking if we are teachers. Just tourists. They look really good, don't they, the log ones? Do you want some more of them?
Yeah. You get
Log
four,
ones. She has more.
Spicy?
Spicy,
Oh.
yeah.
Yeah.
Super.
Perfect.
Oh, okay.
We'll either get. Is this normal routine?
Huh?
Is this normal? Like
Yes,
just looking.
normal.
Okay. Can I have song lab?
2 ลาบ 2 ลาบ Okay.
Right, guys, so this place looks so good. I've never seen this before. So these are mu ping, the grilled pork. But this lady makes lab style mu ping, and look at them shining in the sun. They look so good, honestly. I cannot wait to try these. So yeah, let's go. That's sticky rice. They are fantastic. Literally exactly how I thought it'd taste. The larb flavour that we all love. Limey. Then you can taste the toasted rice on there.
Spicy too.
Spicy. Wow. I'm gonna have to get some more of these because these are just 5 baht a piece. And I hope you can see how good they look on the camera. They are dripping. Oh wow. These are really worth coming to eat. Big shout out to Leesh for finding these. And we've also just got your standard mu ping. Let's try that. Hot. Well, man. Well, an absolute classic. You can never go wrong with a mu ping, especially in the morning. Paired with your sticky rice, the perfect combo. อร่อยที่สุดขอบคุณครับ so good the lab so good เอาฮอกลาบซอง normal ฮอกลาบ
ลาบ 6
ลาบฮอกโดยซอง
อันนี้ไม่ลาบ 2
ใช่โอเค
Okay. Oh, hungry.
They're so good. Honestly, they're unbelievable. Is this your larb seasoning? I need lab.
ลาบ ใช่
So here's the larb seasoning. She just dips the mu ping in there. That looks like heaven.
Dip in this.
Wow. Couple crab. That is just an absolute pot of full-on flavour. That looks so good. You could just sit here and eat about 50 of these in a row. They are so good. And at 5 baht a piece, you'd be crazy not to. Like I say, I've never seen this before. I'm going to sure they do it somewhere, but this lady is doing it just right. Here in Nakhon Si Thammarat. I'll throw this one on them in the description. A pin. It's really worth visiting. Kopong Krab.
Where did it come from? Your mother? Like the lab?
ลาบ
Where did it come from?
คุณแม่
She created
Oh,
it?
from grandmother.
Oh, grandmother. So this is a grandmother's recipe.
She go to be to about the cooking.
You don't look it.
Amazing. Right, so we got another bag of these delicious mu ping laab. And we just got loads of sauce in the bag, so it's unbelievable. We can just dip into all that goodness, all that juice, and then so good. Honestly, some of the best. Now look at them. Doesn't get much better, does it? I know I've talked about these mu ping a lot now, but I've only got 6 more. I think this is 20 now because they're just unbelievable, I swear. And they just come in fresh off the grill, like straight from the grill into the bag to us. So like, how could you not keep eating them? Oh, they're hot though, a lot mad. So good.
Best.
Yes. Our favourite mu ping in Thailand so far. Laab mu ping, so good. Aloy tisu.
Thank you so much.
Khao Mao. Have a nice day.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye. Chok di.
Thank you.
And that is exactly why we love Thailand so much. They are such lovely people again. We just meet the nicest, like, kind-hearted people ever. And they were incredible. How good were they, Leesh?
So delicious. The best.
The best.
Imagine a larb but on a moving, like it's
And
a
it's-
larb on a stick.
It's like larb on a stick, that's it. Larb on a stick, I love it, yeah. So good. I am so happy to, well, did I say to have found that spot? Leesh found that spot.
I found it on Google Maps and it's got 1 review.
Yeah.
1 review just saying she makes grandma's larb recipe on mu ping. And I was like, ooh.
So like half these things you go to, you've just got to discover yourself. Like you can't have someone tell you. You've just got to go off and do your own thing. That was ridiculously good. I'm going to be talking about that for weeks to come. That was so good. So what do you have? Unreal. Heaven on a stick. I'll leave it there. Oh. How many did we have? I think we had 22 and it cost us 125 baht with a few sticky rice as well. Cracking price, cracking value, because they weren't even small. Some of them were quite beefy, and 5 baht a skewer. That is just so good. We've just noticed across the road there's a jackfruit lady. Sawadee khap. Ah, chai. How lai khap?
5 kilo 50 บาท
50.
Half a kilo. Half kilo.
Should we just get half a kilo?
Yeah. Our house 50 นะคะ
Jackfruit's delicious. She's literally just cutting it. It's fresh on the side of the street, so can't say no. We got so much jackfruit there. It smells so good. It's really pungent. That's loads. We got loads of jackfruit. I'll get it, Leesh. Ooh. Couple cup. Is it heavy? Oh. Couple cup.
นิดหน่อย
Any alloy mai? Alloy. Okay. Couple cup. That'll do us for breakfast. A bit of jackfruit until we make a new plan. We've got loads there. I hope it's good.
Smells so
Oh, it feels good. Look at that. Oh, it feels so juicy. Here we go. It's really good. What do you think, Leesh?
Wow, so good. It's really sweet.
Super. Hello, Mag. That's really good.
It is really juicy, isn't it?
Mm.
It's like bubble gum.
Mm.
Look how big that jackfruit is.
I keep saying, we've just become jackfruit addicts. Anything we can get it on, we're getting it on it.
So good.
How does she cut it? I've never seen inside, so they're like little jackfruit pods in there. It looks like a lot of work to like dissect it out. Couple cab. It doesn't look easy, that, you know.
สวัสดีค่ะ
Sawadee khap.
สวัสดีค่ะ ข้าวเมาเอาอะไรคะ
อันนี้ข้าวเมาทอด
ข้าวเมาทอด
Oh wow, อร่อย
ข้าวเมาจำปาดะ
This is one of our favourites, but these look different. They look smaller, don't they? Is she frying jackfruit?
She's got quite a few jackfruit ones.
I need jackfruit.
จำปาดะไม่ใช่อันนั้นข
ไม่
นุน
ใช่ไม่ใช่
นี่
Oh, is it
อัน
fried?
นี้ขนุนก่อนขนุน
อันนี้ขนุน
ขนุน oh it's different
อ๋อ
different อันนี้ขนุนอันนี้จำปา
อันนี้จำ
จำปา
จำปาดะ
Cempedak.
จำปาดะ
Cempedak อร่อยไหม
อร่อยอร่อย
อร่อย
ทอดอ it's
Oh,
ร่อย
actually different
Oh, I don't know what to get then here. What should we get?
จำปาดะ
Cempedak. Let's get a couple of Khao Mao cords and then maybe try that.
จำปาดะ
Cempedak.
ข้าวเมากี่ลูกนะ
Khao Mao
ลูกละ5
cords.
บาท
I need 5 baht.
จ้า
Okay, Ao Songครับ We'll get 2 of them. And is she frying this jackfruit or what?
not sure โอเปี๊ยะ
จำปาดะ
อันนี้คำพดา
อันนี้คำพดา
เท่าไรครับ
เอามาทอด
Oh, it's fried. Okay, อันนี้5 baht.
จ้า
Okay, Ao Songครับ Let's get 2 of these fried jackfruit. So it's a different type of. Well, is it even a jackfruit? Let us know. Looks like one, but like maybe a different species, different type. It's like small.
เม็ดมันก็ทานได้นะคะ
Oh, ขอบคุณมากครับ Super stuff. Okay. Goodbye. She looks like an absolute legend, Auntie.
this is jackfruit and อันนี้ is
different
Different.
it's จำปาดะ
Cempedak.
อันนี้ขนุน
ขนุน oh this is
Oh.
one อันนี้ one for both sweet
yes
Oh,
sweet
okay.
sweet
We've got some, let's try them.
Different.
Okay, ขอบคุณครับ Okay, ขอบคุณครับ Right, so this is that fried jackfruit. That small type of jackfruit that lady was just rusting up. Let's go for it. Oh, oh. God. Got a stone in. It's still really sweet though.
It tastes more like durian to me, that.
It just tastes a little bit more pungent, yeah. Still really tasty, still really sweet, but there's a stone in the middle. There's a nice batter on the outside. Just gotta be careful.
It's made the texture like a custard apple.
It's really creamy inside. That is an interesting snack. 5 baht each, all these.
Tastes more like durian. Like onion now.
Ah, I think.
Yeah. Also the seed's different than a normal jackfruit seed.
So here's that stone that was inside, and you can't eat it.
What do you think?
Oh,
It's like a nut.
I don't know if you're meant to eat it. This might be really funny for some of you watching, but you can eat it. It is edible, obviously. It tastes like a nut.
Like a hazelnut.
I don't know if you're meant to eat that, but not too bad. And here's the OGs, the Khao Mao Tord. Always be one of my favourite fried snacks. Look at it glistening in the sun. These are little ones. I tell you what, it doesn't get much better than that. Fried goodness, banana, soft gooey banana, crunchy outside, bit of coconut in there, I think. Only gonna got an orange juice Americano now. I admit, when I had one of these first last time we were in Thailand, I thought that's a load of rubbish. But this time, for some reason, they're just absolutely hitting the spot. I don't know what it is. Just when you're feeling, you know, when you want a coffee, but then you also want something really refreshing, like, and you feel like you want a juice, it just seems to hit the spot. I need to mix it up, but yeah, you get the fresh orange and then you get the Americano. There's even put a bit of fresh orange on the top. Yeah, he made this with fresh oranges. He actually squeezed the oranges, so I don't know what more I could want. Yeah, it's really good. Yeah, here is our hotel. It's got the very original creative name of Thai Hotel. Maybe it's actually a different name in Thai, but it's massive and it's on this really cool street. So like I was saying, just absolute shops galore, wholesale galore. What have we got? All kinds of stuff. Strange pants, look at them. bags, t-shirts, dresses. This is a shopping centre in there, so it's just like a massive wholesale shopping centre. It's really funny because when you actually go up in the lift to our room, on like floor 2, 3 and 4, you get out in the shopping centre. It's really funny. Same with the stairs, you have to walk through the shopping centre to get to the room. But yeah, it's actually a good little shopping spot if you need some stuff. I think it's really cheap. And you can see they just sell everything. Like a maze of cloves.
What was that?
Show us that. Bourberry. Let's see the print.
Pie.
Let's have a look at this. Bourberry. So a decaf. That is hilarious. That's going to be one of the best rips we've seen. And we have seen some very, very bad rip-offs here in Thailand, I'll tell you that. Elephant pants. If you're a backpacker wanker. Are you going to show us your favourite one?
Where it is. Morning, the time when the bed has no gravity. I think
Got to love it. Is there more?
Hilarious. So just Google, or you Google because you're everything I've been searching for.